In your preferred browser, go to the link on screen and download OpenVPN Connect version 3. When the download is finished, open the file from your browser's downloads window. Alternately, go to your downloads folder, typically located at this address. Run the OpenVPN Connect installer and allow the installation to finish. In your browser, go to the URL on screen. Enter the VPN login username and password as shown in the VPN login information section on your MetroCloud login information sheet. On your mobile device, you will need to install the Google Authenticator app if you don't already have it installed. Open the App Store on your mobile device and search for Google Authenticator and install the app on your device. Open Google Authenticator on your mobile device. In Google Authenticator, tap Get Started or tap the plus sign in the lower right corner. Tap Scan a QR code and scan the QR code displayed on your MetroCloud login website. You may need to scroll down on the website to see the QR code. An entry for OpenVPN will appear in Google Authenticator. In your browser, click I scanned the QR code. If you accidentally click the I scanned the QR code button before scanning the QR code, you will need to contact MetroCloud support. To test Google Authenticator, log back into your MetroCloud account using the same VPN login credentials as shown in the VPN login information section on your MetroCloud login information sheet. This time, it will ask for a Google Authenticator code to complete the login process. Click on Yourself to download the personalized client.ovpn file. In OpenVPN, click the File tab to import the profile from a file. Browse to the location to which you downloaded the client.ovpn file. Check the Save Password checkbox if you want OpenVPN to save your password and enter it in the password field. Click Connect and enter the Google Authenticator code. OpenVPN should now connect. To connect to the MetroCloud Internet server, again, open your preferred browser and go to the MetroCloud login VIC URL as shown on your MetroCloud login information sheet. You may want to bookmark this URL in your browser for easy access in the future. Click on the Download Standalone Client button. Run the installer after the download completes. Allow the installation to complete and leave the checkbox checked to run the MetroCloud Internet client. Enter your MetroCloud user account username and password from the MetroCloud login information sheet in the MetroCloud server login screen. Click Connect. You will now see a MetroCloud Internet server connection status pop-up. Once the MetroCloud screen is loaded, you can close this pop-up. You will see the MetroCloud screen load, and you are now connected to the MetroCloud Internet server.